I'm gonna show y'all how to do a ball fade in 60 seconds.
This one's gonna be simple. We're gonna go up in chronological order with the guard, starting with no guard, lever close, then lever open, then one guard, lever open, then the 1.5 guard, lever open. Follow that with a 2 guard, again, lever open. And my last guard is gonna be the 3 guard, lever open. By now you should have 2 guidelines. We're gonna start with that top one and work our way down. Slapping my half guard, we're gonna close the lever just slightly. And then finish cleaning that up with a 1 guard, still levering that 3/4 position. And for that last line, it's a 3-step process, starting with the lever close, then we're gonna open it halfway and then fully open. And now using my half guard to do any touch-up work, and then using my trimmer in a forward position to get closer to the scalp. It should leave a faint line, which is gonna be used as a guideline for our shaver. Go ahead and edge them up. Use your faded culture Turkish style razor, which you can find at fadedculture.co. Add a little bit of hair enhancement and finish it off with some hairspray to really tie in those stranglers.
There you guys have it. Follow Faded Culture for more tutorials.